Hi, thanks for joining me. We're going to be making fresh soybean milk. Yellow soybean is the best kind of soybean to make the soy milk. You'll need half a cup of soybean and 3 cups of water. You're going to be soaking the soybean overnight. Drain the soybean and remove the outer skin. And when you do that, you can add more water so that the skin floats to the top. Blend the soybean with 3 cups of water in medium speed for about a minute. You'll see that the texture will get very smooth, and that's when you know it's a good time to take it out. I'm going to strain the mixture in a strainer first, and then I'm going to be using a cheesecloth. Pour the mixture into a saucepan and add 1 cup of water. We're going to be cooking this for 20 minutes. I hope you enjoy your soybean milk. You can add sugar or vanilla if you like. It's up to you. Like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support. Thanks.